Looking forward to the chat box. I want to see some hellos and highs from all of you. We're going to start the session in another 2-3 minutes. So yeah. Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of highs and hellos. Hi, Saurabh. Yeah, this session is just going to be of 1 hour. It will be very quick. You will be learning something really new today. Hi, Nikhil. Um, Hi, Maria. Oh, sorry, Binu from Maria's Public School. Hi, everyone. Hi, Samuel from Bangalore, India, Assam. Oh, that's great. So we're going to start our session at 7:05. It's so nice to see you all. Yes, we will learn basics of Python, not just basics, we will learn advanced Python as well in the upcoming sessions. But in today's session, we are just going to introduce you guys to programming, give you difference between program and programming as well. Hi, there's people from Goa coming in. Hi, everyone. Hi, I'm so happy to see a lot of highs and hellos in the chat box. A lot of people from Maria's Public School, that is great. A lot of people from Assam, Ludhiana, that's great. Hi, Akshay. Yep, Saurabh, you will be required an application that is PictoBlox application. We will be dropping the link to download it and I will be showcasing it to you as well. Hi, Likesh. I like Python 2 Blast Gaming. I am Devansh Bansal from Amity International School, Noida. Hi, Divyansh. Hi, everyone. Hi, Navya from Haryana. You are from class 6. That's so great, Kohli. I'm from Assam. How's the weather there? Likesh from Ideal Mount Litra Z School, I guess. Okay, that's great. PictoBlox Toby. Yup, exactly. Hi, I'm Aryan Jha from Maria's Public School. Hi, Aryan. So nice to see you all. You can share this link with your friends as well and tell them to join this session because it's going to be very interesting. We're going to learn something very cool and we're going to make a lot of games and a lot of um, activities in the upcoming sessions as well. Hi, a lot of people from Amity School, Noida. That's so nice. Hi, Omkar. So we will be starting our session at 7:05 till the time we can. Oh, it's partially hot there. Okay. Here also in Delhi, it's partially hot. Hi, Varuni. Hi, Atharv from Amity International School, Noida. Hi, everyone. Hi, Jasmeet. Hi, Sophia. Digital Akshay asked that is Google Scratch or PictoBlox same? It is, but they're not same. PictoBlocks have more and more extensions, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and all. Hi, sir. I'm Debashri. Hi, Debashri. Hi, Lovia. Yeah, we're going to start. Somnath, we are going to start very soon. We are just waiting for a couple more people to join us, and then we're going to start. Hi, Vansh from DAV Public School, Ludhiana. Raj. So we'll be getting a quiz in the last. Of course, I can ask you guys, Hitu, I will ask you guys a lot of questions if you want to. And you can answer as well. That I done Scratch from 2017. That's great. That will be great. You will be having a great advantage. I'm Siddhi. Hi, Siddhi. Hi, Raj. So, yep. Hi, Saurav. Hi, Amit. So I guess, yeah, this is the right time. A lot of people have joined us. 126 people are watching us right now. You can share the joining link to all of your friends because we are going to learn something very interesting in this session. I'm looking forward to all of you to be here. Hi, Harsh. Okay. So yeah, now thank you so much for joining, first of all. And my name is Vivek Verma. I am AI and robotics support engineer at STEMpedia. And yeah, starting with today's session. So in today's session, we will be learning about programming. What is programming? We will be coding in PictoBlox application. We will be learning about the interface of PictoBlox application. That's great. I'm seeing a lot of happy comments and comments stating that you all are very eager to learn something new. That's amazing, fantastic. That's great, Divyansh. You have done coding classes from White Hat. That's great. Okay, so now coming back to this session. So um, we are also Rupashri ma'am over here in the meeting with us. Hi, Rupashri ma'am. It will be great if you can introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, I'm Rupa, and I can see some exciting and very happy comments over in the chat session. I hope you'll be having fun, everyone. So yeah, we'll start with the session for today, so that without any further delay, we'll be getting this all fun.
That's great. Thank you so much, Rupashri ma'am. Hi, everyone, once again to the new joinees. Okay, so starting off, I would like to request all of you to join the Telegram group because this is the group where we will be giving you guys constant support. Our professional team will be there 24/7 to support you, as well as we will be updating you all the things over there. So all the links, everything you will be giving 24/7 constant support there on the Telegram group. So you can join the Telegram group. The Telegram group link is in the chat box as well, or you can scan the QR code given over here as well. Hi, everyone. Yeah, we are going to make not just Flappy Bird game. We are going to make such more interesting games. Okay, so I hope you guys are going to join the Telegram group because that is where we will be giving you constant support. So and updates as well. So please feel free to join the Telegram group as well. Okay, moving forward. So you all know that this is about Codeavour 2022. These training sessions are a part of Codeavour 2022, and so we want you to first grasp the knowledge that what Codeavour is, and just get to know all about Codeavour 2022. So I will be playing this short little video in which you will be having a little brief of Codeavour competition, and by the end of this session, we will be talking about Codeavour 2022 in more depth. All right. So yeah, and I would love if you can, tell me in the comment section if you can, hear the sound of the video or not. Okay. Fantastic. Can you hear the sound, Rupashi ma'am? Are you able to hear the sound?
Yes, I can hear. It's audible.
For the fourth consecutive year, bringing you the biggest international AI and programming competition for kids, Codeavour 2022 International 4th Edition. To make kids aware and inspire them to brainstorm over emerging issues, to make the world a better place, kids need to build solution-based projects on the following theme: save the environment, strengthen the health infrastructure, revolutionize the agriculture, automate the surroundings, make smart transportation system. You can make anything and everything you want, from stories to games, from software-based AI projects to hardware-based projects. PictoBlox, an international AI education and coding platform. You can learn to code, make interactive animations and games, interesting projects based on AI, program actions for robots, and much more. With PictoBlox app now available on Play Store, you can even make your project for the competition on the go. Anyone above 7 years old and falling under 3 age groups can. Yes, you can either participate as a one-person army or in a team of 2 with your coding buddy. Follow these 3 easy steps to participate. Register by entering the team details on the contest portal. Prepare to enhance your coding and AI skill via self-learning material and AI bootcamps. Now that you have the skills required, it's time to show the world what you have got. Submit your project brief, project file, and the project video. Now all you have to do is sit back and wait for the results. Registration for Codeavour 2022 International starts on 10th of October. The last date to submit your project is 10th January 2023. You can register anytime between 10th of October and 10th of January 2023. The winners of Codeavour 2022 International will be announced on 31st January 2023. Participants stand a chance to win more than 60 prizes worth $20,000 in total. Along with the cash prizes up to $1,000, all the winners will also receive a medal, certificate, and the official Codeavour 2022 AI t-shirt. Participate in the biggest online AI and programming competition for kids with more than 3 lakh plus participants, 1,000 plus schools, 1 lakh plus teams from 90 plus countries. So, what are you waiting for? Registration starts today.
So I hope you got the overview about Codeavour 2022. So of course we will be discussing more about the competition later in this session. Before that, we will be talking about giving you guys a brief about programming and PictoBlox coding application interface and making activities in it. So yep, I'm very excited to teach you all this. Okay, moving forward. So coming to what is program? So I want to ask all of you, what do you think program is? I'm great. I'm doing amazing, Kavita Bhargav. Thank you so much. So I'm looking forward for some answers that what do you think what a program is, and you have to give your answer in the chat box. Hi, Jasmine. Which link are you asking for, Harsh? A code or instruction? Good job. So which language does Codeavour accept? So Python, you can make your projects in Python or in block-based language using PictoBlox application only. Or maybe a software or type of something. Okay, a program is a set of instructions which tells the computer what to do. Good job. A set of related measures or activities with a particular long-term aim. Amazing, Anisha. Fantastic. A set of code which tells the computer what to do. A program is usually a project made by using okay, I lost it. I'm sorry. Yeah, okay. Amazing. So much good answers from all of you. Fantastic. Kudos, everyone. Amazing. Great job. Hi, Tanvi. Of course, we will be giving you the link, Harsh. We will be giving you all the links. Stay with us, of course, till the end of the session. I will be giving you all the links. Don't worry. Rupa ma'am will be here in the chat to help you out. Great. Amazing. Yep. Set of code to control computer. A program is a group of defined statements. A program is a set of instruction which tells the computer what to do. Fantastic. Everyone is, that means, yeah, everyone is well aware what a program is. Fantastic. Okay. So we are going to play a fun activity and then we will be moving forward. Okay. So I'm going to ask you a few questions and you have to answer those questions in the chat box only. Okay. So the first question is, what is your favorite color? Like you can, or colors. Okay. You can give your favorite colors in the chat box. We will be showing you every step, how to sign in, how to register, how to log in, everything. Don't worry. So yeah, you can just tell me what is your favorite color. I'm looking forward to the answers in the chat box. And I'm going to type mine too. Mine is red and black. Wow, a lot of blues and reds and black. That's great. Fantastic. Mint green, very unique. Orange, blue, pink, yellow, black. Okay. Fantastic, fantastic. Red. Fire King is saying it's red and giving the red YouTube logo. I actually like all the colors. That is so nice of you. I love all the colors too. Lavender. Amazing. Okay, so next question. There's just one more question that I'm going to ask you guys. The other question is this, that what is your hobby or what are your hobbies? If you have just one hobby, you can write down one hobby. If you have multiple hobbies, you can write down multiple hobbies as well. Lavender green, lime green also. That's great. That's great. So I'm looking forward to your hobbies now, guys. So my hobbies are reading and coding. These are my hobbies. Though I don't read that much, but I love reading blogs and articles over internet. And I love coding, of course. Painting, doing Arduino programs. Very good, Shruti. Okay, okay. Reading books. Very good, Jagat. To play chess, solve mental maths. Amazing. So we have a very good set of kids over here right now. Arduino coding, programming, and solving cubes, cycling and gaming. Wow, a lot of health conscious and tech geeks also are here. Astronomy, Neha Gupta, that's great. So yeah, so now can you relate? Okay, so I'm going to tell you something. So what I did was, I did over here is I gave you guys some instructions and you guys gave me output, right? I asked you questions and you gave me the outputs. Okay, same way a program works. So program is like a set of instructions that we give to the computer and the computer gives us the output in return. So if I want the computer to calculate 5 plus 5, then I will be giving that program to the computer and the output I will be getting in just few milliseconds, right? So I will be getting the output that will be 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, so yeah, so that is what program is. Program is a set of instructions. All of you were correct in the chat box. Yeah, program is a set of instructions that a computer follows to complete a task. Okay, just like I give you instructions. Okay, what are the set of instructions that I gave you? I gave you the set of instructions to tell me what is your favorite color and what are your hobbies. And you gave me the answer. So your favorite color is red, blue, green, someone said lavender, and so forth. And your hobbies are reading books, coding, Arduino programming, dancing, singing, playing cricket. You guys gave a lot of answers. So what you did, I gave you the set of instructions, I gave you the commands, and you gave me back the outputs. Some way similar you can now relate that a computer program is just giving the computer some set of instructions and the computer will give the output. Yeah, yeah. Program means computer format in which commands are given. Yeah, not format. You can say it gives you output or for executes a task in which you on the commands that you have given. Okay, Sonali, sorry. Okay, moving forward, then what is program? So there is a difference between program and programming. And I would love if you can tell me what's the difference in the chat box. I will love. So a lot of hobbies. So now can you tell me the difference between program and programming, everyone? I'm looking forward to the answers in the chat box. Come on, I'm looking forward to the answers. Programming means to do a program. Okay, programming is to program a set of code, program is set of instructions, and programming is giving the instructions. Okay, programming. So, okay. Programming is a user's way of creating programs. Good job. Shweta says programming is a process of writing program. Good job, Shweta. Programming means giving a set of instructions and program. Okay, program means giving a set of instructions and programming means creating those instructions. Good job, Prabhat. So yeah, everyone, not everyone, but a lot of you know the difference between program and programming. So program is the set of instructions that we give, and programming is the process by which we create those set of instructions. So in this way, if you can relate back, so what I said you is I gave you the program. I gave you the program to give me the name of your favorite color and state your hobbies as well in the chat box. Okay, so that was the program. And what was the programming? The how I was creating it, how I was creating the set of instructions that I gave you using English language, right? So programming is just the process of creating the set of instructions that tells the computer what task that computer have to execute. Okay, and there is a language to that. Of course, if I'm talking to you in English, I can talk to you in Hindi as well, Chinese. So you will be able to understand Hindi or English or maybe some other language, but not all of you will be able to understand if I talk in Chinese, if I talk in German, right? So same way, computer won't understand if I tell the computer to do any task in English or Hindi. So if I say, hey computer, I want you to calculate the marks of the students that are here, or calculate how many students are watching the live stream. So the computer won't understand what I'm saying because I'm just saying it in a language which computer will never understand. Okay, so there are programming languages which only computer can understand and take those language as um, a set of instructions, a set of code that known as program. Okay, so I hope now it is clear to you all that what is the difference between program and programming and what exactly programming is. Okay, if it is clear, give me a thumbs up and like this video, guys. Come on, like this video. You guys are always watching PUBG streams. Now it is time to learn something new. Okay, now it is time to make your own PUBG. All right, make your own games. Okay, coming to parts of programming. So parts of programming. So whenever you are doing something, there are some certain steps that you need to follow, right? So suppose if I'm making a Maggie, or if I'm, cooking something, or if I am, washing my clothes. How do I wash my clothes? I first put, water inside the washing machine, and I have to note it down that the water is hot. Then I put my clothes. Then I put the detergent, and then I put my clothes. Right? You cannot change these steps. You cannot put your clothes first, then the detergent, and at the last the water. You cannot do that. You cannot change these steps. Same way the cooking thing, right? You cannot change the steps of cooking something. So if you're making a Maggie, so how do you make a Maggie? You first add water, you boil it, then you add your noodles, then you add masala, right? Some add masala before adding the noodles, I know, but that's the way I cook it. Okay, so you cannot change these steps. You cannot change the basic step. So the basic step is this, that you have to first add water and then the rest of the thing. You cannot add the masala first, then cook the masala, then add the noodles, and at the end add the water. And then you can say that, okay, it is cooked. It cannot be stated it is cooked, right? Amazing. So now there are parts of programming as well. So you have to follow those parts of programming. You have to follow those steps to have a set of instructions that the computer have to follow to complete a task. Okay, so the first part is planning. So you have to first plan what you want the computer to do. Okay, then you have writing. Then writing means, suppose if I want the computer to calculate the grade of all the students in my class. So I'm going to plan how I'm going to plan. I want to calculate all the marks, the total marks of all the students, of each student, and then I want to grade it according to the condition. So if the marks is between 95 to 100, and I want it to be categorized as A plus. If it is less than 95 but more than 90, then I want it to be categorized as A, and so forth. Right? So I'm planning how I want to grade these children. Then I will be writing it. Then I will be writing that particular set of code or set of program so that the computer understands it. And how I'm going to write it? Using a programming language. Okay. Then after that, after the writing part, we are going to test it out. So I will be running that program and I will be testing, am I getting the output, the desired output that I was looking for? If not, then I will be debugging. So now what is debugging? So debugging is when so suppose you write a code, or if you write a sentence. When you all were little, you all remember. So when you all were little, you used to write ABC in a book, right? In a cursive writing book, used to write A, B, C. And when you used to do something wrong, you used to use an eraser and erase that part and write it again with pencil, right? So what is that? Repairing. You just erased it and wrote it again. So that's the same thing you have to do over here as well. That is debugging. If you wrote something incorrect, if there is some error in your code, and you have to repair that code, right? You have to rewrite it. So that is called debugging. Okay. So now I hope the parts of the programming is clear to all of you. If it is, then great. Give me a thumbs up in the chat box. I'm seeing a lot of thumbs up. I'm very, very happy, guys. Superb. Superb, superb. Amazing. So you give so easy examples. Thank you so much. Okay, so Devender, now coming to what is debugging, once again, I'm going to tell you. So suppose there is a leak, pipe leakage at your place. Whom do you call? A plumber, right? A plumber fixes that leakage. Okay, it is repairing it, right? That process is called repairing the leakage. So when there is some error in your code, you have to fix it. You are the coder. You have to fix that code to make it work, to give you the desired output that you want, right? That process of repairing that code is known as debugging. Okay. Is it clear now? Thumbs up. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all the thumbs up. Great. Fantastic. Okay. Moving forward. Now coming to programming languages. So I gave you the set of instructions using English language, right? I gave you the instructions using English language. Now you cannot give instructions to computer using English or Hindi, Chinese, Mandarin Chinese, Korean, the BTS gang. You cannot give it using your your own favorite language that you like. You have to use a programming language. Okay. And we have so many programming language that computer understands, right? And some examples are given over here: C, C++, Java, Pascal, then you have HTML, CSS, and many more, right? So you guys can give your favorite programming language in the chat box. Come on. I'm looking forward in the chat box. All of you. What is your favorite programming language? Once, were you able to understand what is debugging now? Once, Kashyap, please tell me if you were able to understand. Okay, Python is your favorite language. Okay, Scratch, Java, C, Python. I see a lot of Python, C++, Java, JavaScript, Scratch. Okay, Scratch 2.2, very specific. HTML, CSS, JS, ML5, Python, P5. Very good, Adarsh Kumar. Amazing. A lot of good languages that you are learning. Python, I see a lot of Python. That is great. Yeah, Python is booming nowadays. Scratch. Amazing. I know HTML5, CSS3, JS, Python, Java. Amazing. Superb. Wow. Fantastic, guys. Amazing. So yeah, so all these are programming languages that only be able to that is only the language that the computer will be able to understand. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, we will be making games also. Don't worry. Now coming to introduction to PictoBlox. So if you have not downloaded PictoBlox yet, you can download the PictoBlox from the link that will be given in the chat box right now. Okay, you can download the PictoBlox from the link below in the chat box. I will be showcasing you how to download PictoBlox right now as well. So if you go on the website, or you can just simply type down download PictoBlox. The first link that is of STEMpedia.com, you have to click on that link, and then you will be referred to this page. On this page, you can see you have options. You can choose your device type. Is it a Windows, a Mac OS, a Linux, Android, iOS, and you can download PictoBlox in your device. Once again, I'm going to tell you something very interesting that we have recently launched our latest version of PictoBlox application, PictoBlox 6.0.0, which includes a lot of new exciting features for all of you. So yeah, please feel free to download PictoBlox application. It is free of cost, and you can start learning to code right now. Mathly, if you don't have any laptop or PC, no need to worry. You can download in your mobile phone as well. If you guys don't have laptop or PCs, no need to worry. You just need a mobile phone, right? Remember, when you have the eager to learn something, you know, you can be whatever you want to. You can learn however you want to and whatever you want to. So remember this. East or west, PictoBlox is the best. That is what I'm reading. Amazing. Okay. Moving forward. So yeah, I hope you were able to understand this. Now, coming to PictoBlox application. So you can download the PictoBlox application from the links that we have shared in the chat box to you all. Now coming to the activity that we will be making. So in today's session, we will be making the walking Toby animation, or Toby walking animation, whatever you like to say. So in this activity, we will be able to understand how to program in PictoBlox application, plus how we can animate our own characters to make our own stories, to make our own movies, to make our own games and applications as well. Okay, in today's session, we are starting with very basic concepts. In the session that we are going to have, day after tomorrow, and the other days as well, we will be progressing and progressing. So there will be many sessions that will be coming up where you will be learning a lot. Okay, fantastic. So giving you the overview of the activity. So this is what the activity will be looking like. You can make the activity more interesting. You can add your own extra elements as well. I will be showcasing you how you can add your more, how can you add more elements to this activity, and then you will be giving your own little magic touch. Okay, now let's switch to PictoBlox application. Till the time, I'm open to all the doubts that you guys have till now. Were the concepts clear to all of you? So yeah, you can tell me that.
Vivek,
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, I was just switching to PictoBlox. Yeah. Can you see my screen, all of you?
yes, we can see. And there
Okay.
is a questions as well.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, please ask me the question that the kids are facing, some issues in. So what is the difference between algorithm and program? Good question. So an algorithm is just that, it's a way of solving things, and a program is a set of instructions. So algorithm is like, so I can say what is the algorithm of finding the grade of the student. So algorithm is just that you have to calculate the total marks, you have to calculate the percentage, and then you will give them the grades. So that is the algorithm of finding grades of the students, right? But what is the program? Program is a set of instruction how we are going to implement that algorithm in coding. Okay, so now I hope you were able to understand. So how can I do coding using PictoBlox in mobile? You can just download PictoBlox application in mobile, and then you will be able to do it. Very easy. So how can we submit our projects from PictoBlox to website for competition? I will be showcasing you that 80 squad. Don't worry. Hold your horses. Wait for some time. We will be giving you all the details. How to register, how to log in. Don't worry, Benu. I will be telling you that. I will be telling you everything. Don't worry. How to register and how to log in, I will be telling you. Please don't worry. Okay, coming back to the PictoBlox application. So this is what PictoBlox application looks like. Okay, so I will be making the activity, and then I will be explaining, with the making of the activity, I will be giving you the overview of the PictoBlox interface as well. Okay, so whenever you are making a story or a movie or any animation, animation or storytelling, so anything like this, you need to have some characters, right? Those characters will be helpful to make, to add life in your movie, right? Suppose if Tom Cruise or Salman Khan is not working in movies, they add the soul to the movies, right? They add the soul to the movies using their acting skills, right? So once again, what are the Salman Khan and the Tom Cruise? So both of these are actors, right? They are, you can say, characters of that particular movie or that particular story that they are playing, right? So here also we have characters, and characters here in the PictoBlocks are called as sprites. Okay, so we have very amount of ample amount of sprites over here in the sprite library. Or you can make your own sprite as well. You can upload your sprite also if you want to. So how you can upload your own sprite is very easily. You can just click on this button, and yep, you can just click on upload sprite. You will be able to upload your own sprite as well. You can upload you as your own sprite also. So I can just click my pictures on the green screen, edit it, remove the green screen, and I can upload my own picture on the stage. So whenever you are making, a movie or a storytelling or any application, um, you need to have, particular background for it, right? So suppose I'm making a movie in which I have a prince and princess, right? And the prince is protecting the princess from the dragon. So I want the dragon and the prince to fight with each other. Of course, they won't be fighting under the water. They won't be fighting in space, right? Until it is something very fantasy. They will be fighting on ground or in air, right? They will be fighting in air, not in space, in air. Because some dragons can fly if you're taking it to the extreme level of the fantasy level, right? But they need to have a background, right? If they're fighting on the ground, they need to have a background that suits that fighting scene. They cannot fight in a princess teacup party, right? So they need to have a particular background that matches the story or the movie. Okay, yeah. So we can add backdrops from here. Backdrops are known as backdrops in PictoBlox application. You can click on choose a backdrop button over here and you can add any backdrop that you want to. Okay. In today's session, we will be using basketball one. Okay, let's use this backdrop. So you can see the basketball backdrop in context to Toby. The Toby is bigger, right? Toby is larger than the loop and everything. Of course, it should be. But you can decrease the size from here and let's make it maybe 90 or actually 80 will be perfect. Yep, size 80 is perfect. Okay, let's move Toby here. So what I want to do is I want the Toby to move from the one end of the stage to the other end of the stage. So this is the stage. Okay, I'm going to annotate. So this whole area is the stage. Okay, so whenever you are giving Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Tom Cruise, or you yourself, you're participating in something and you are given some script where that script is executed on stage. Okay, suppose teacher is teaching all the girls how to dance for the annual day. Okay, the dance steps for the annual day. Where the girls will be dancing on the stage. Okay, so once again, we will be giving the script to the Toby sprite and where it will be executed on the stage. Okay, so this area over here, please don't mind my drawing skills. It is very bad. I know it. Okay, most of you might be artists here, but I am not. So this over here, this is the scripting area where we will be scripting. Okay, I hope this part is clear to all of you. So now coming back to this Toby walking animation, what we want is we want to move Toby. Okay, and how do we want it to move? We want it to move from one end to the other end of the stage. Okay, and we want movement to take place. So movement means motion. So we have to go in the motion block palette. So we have many, you can say these are color coded block palette over here, just like you have your painting palette as well. That is also color coded, right? So we have color coded block palettes here. So what are blocks? You just have to just grab them and place them in such a way that it is when it is when you're executing the script, that gives you a certain or a desired um, execution result when it is being executed. Okay. So what I want the Toby sprite to move. So I will be using the move 10 steps. So let's click on it. But I have to click on it again and again to make it move, right? Why I have to click on it again and again? Because I'm not using anything except the move block. What I want is I want the Toby sprite to move forever, continuously in a loop. So for that, I have to use a forever loop. Okay, that forever loop is inside the control palette. Inside control palette, we have a forever loop block and we have to add the move 10 steps inside forever loop. Okay, so now let's click on the forever loop and let's see if it is working or not. It is working, but the Toby is not coming back. So the Toby touched the edge, but it is not coming back. Okay, so now what we want it to come back. We want it to bounce back from the edge. So for that, we have a specific block that is in the motion palette. We have a block called as if on edge bounce. Okay, now let's test it out. Yup, it is moving back and forth. But wait a second, is it correct? Can anyone tell me in the chat box, is it correct? Do we want the Toby sprite to move like this? No. Yep, exactly. It's upside down. Very good, Adarsh Kumar. Good job. Yep, it's upside down, and we don't want it like this, right? So if you don't want it like this, then how to set its rotational style? So we can set the rotational style using this block. In motion palette, we have a desired block that is set the rotation style to left and right. So whenever the Toby sprite is moving and bouncing on the edge, it won't turn upside down. It will have a rotation style of left and right. So it will not, rotate or not go upside down, you can say. It will rotate, but it will not go upside down. Okay. So yeah, now let's test it out and let's see if it is working or not. Yep, it is working, but it is not the animation that we want. It is like someone is dragging the um the Toby sprite. That is what I'm feeling here. So now what should we do? So I think what we should do is we should switch the costume. Don't you think? Salman Khan also switches the costume, whenever he goes in the dancing mode, right? So we need to switch the costume so that Toby goes in the walking mode, right? Am I right or am I wrong? Tell me in the chat box, guys. Come on. Am I right or am I wrong? Yes, Toby has costumes for walking. Toby is a rich one. Yes, we can change the sprite. Yes, we can change the costume. Yes, I am right. We have to. Yes, Adya, the switch costume is in the looks palette. Good job, Adya. Amazing. Yeah. So what we have to do, we have to change the costume. Okay, let's go in looks palette and switch the costume. Where are all the costumes? Okay, so for that, we will go in costumes over here. And you can see we have Toby walking 1, 2, 3, Toby mouth closed, Toby jumping as well. But we will be using walking 1 and walking 2 only. Okay, we will be using these two. So what I want Toby to switch to costume number 1 first, and then I want it to switch to costume number 2. Okay, I think that will help. Yeah, that will help, I guess. Okay, but I cannot click on these simultaneously, right? I first have to click on this, then this, and this. No. So let us attach it. Okay, let us attach it then. Okay, now let's try it. Let's click on this block and let's click on this. But sir, nothing is happening when you are clicking it. Because Salman Khan, the Toby over here, is changing clothes faster than Salman Khan. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to add some break. We need to add some waiting point over here. Okay, so for that, what we will be doing is we will be going in the control palette and giving some time for the Toby sprite to wait. We will tell him so that he will wait for a few seconds and then he will change his costume. But we want this costume to be changed forever, right? We want this to we want this to happen. So for that also, what block we will be using? This is a question to all of you. Which block we will use? Good job, 80 squad. Sir, put wait 0.1 second. You can adjust these seconds yourself. But which block will I use to make it go in a forever, to loop it forever? Good job, everyone. I'm seeing a lot of good responses from all of you. Amazing. Fantastic. Forever block. Amazing 80 squad and Shweta and Ruby, Dhanu, all of you. Fantastic. Great. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Okay, so yeah, we will be using a forever loop. I'm very happy. You guys are very smart. I have a smart audience today. Amazing. So now let's test it out. Okay, let's click on it. Let's click on it. Oh, wow, it's not walking. Actually, it's just running. Now, what should I do? It is running. Now, this is the problem. I don't want it to run. I don't want Salman Khan to run from one place to another place, right? He have to save Katrina Kaif, na? So I don't want it to run here and there. I want it to walk like a gentleman, right? So for that, what I will do is I will decrease the number of steps. I will make the number of steps to 3. Okay. Now let's test it out. Or maybe let's go for 4. Let's test 4. Okay. Now let's click on it. Let's click on it. Yeah, now Toby Sprite is walking like Salman Khan. Is it? Or Tom Cruise? Lower the speed, increase the time. Yeah. That's great, Ruby. You can answer it easily because you're using the Sprite app for almost a year. That's great. Decrease the number of steps. Good job, guys. I'm very happy. Yep, decrease the number of steps. A lot of you have already answered this. Amazing, fantastic, fantastic. So now you can see that our Toby is walking like a gentleman. That is what we wanted. Okay, but now there's one last thing. I am clicking on these blocks again and again to make them work. I don't want to click on them. I want to just click on one thing and I want the whole script to be executed. I want to press just one button to execute the whole script. For that, which block I will use? Now, here comes the real question. Which block I will use? Use green flag block. Good job, Adarsh. Adarsh Kumar, Binu, Ruby, 80 squad. Amazing, amazing, fantastic. I'm very happy. Good job. Clap for all of you. Amazing. Yep, we will be using when green flag click. So yes, we will grab when green flag click block and add it on top here. So whenever I click on the green flag, the whole script will be executed. All right, now let's test it out. Amazing. Now our Toby is walking like Hud Hud Dabang, right? The Salman Khan that we wanted. Great. Amazing. Very good answers, everyone. Fantastic. Now I will also smash the like button for all of you. Fantastic, fantastic. So yeah, now you can see the activity is completed. Okay, now you can just stop the execution of the code by clicking on the stop button and you can save the project. Let's name it as Toby Walking Animation and hit save. You can save it wherever you want to. I will be saving it on my desktop in a desired folder. You can save it wherever you want to. Now the project is being saved. So yeah, that was the activity. I hope you all enjoyed. I really enjoyed teaching you all. It was so fun. But now we will be moving to the next part. That is, we will be moving towards the competition that all of you are awaiting for. Okay, so yeah, now I'm going to go back to the competition and we will talk about the competition. All right, till the time it is opening the website, I want all of you to share your thoughts that how you like the session. Is the session going good? Did you enjoy the session? You can share it in the chat box if you have any doubts also. Okay. All right. I am seeing a lot of good response from all of you. Fantastic. You enjoyed it. Yes, every day we'll be having some session. So I will be telling you that also. The next session is tomorrow. I will be seeing you guys tomorrow as well. Okay, coming back to the Codeavour competition. So now I'm going to tell you how to register, how to log in and solve all your queries related to the competition as well. Okay. Now comes the main part. That is, Codeavour is one of the biggest online coding competition. Okay. And this year we are going very big, guys. I'm telling you this. Okay. We are there are going to there will be 3 lakhs plus students that will be participating this year. We will be having 1,000 plus schools all across the globe. All right, 1 plus lakh teams and from 90 plus countries. So yeah, this year we are actually going big, and we are not just going big in the numbers of participants. We are going big in the number of cash prizes as well. Not just cash prizes, the number of prizes as well. This year we have a total worth of $20,000 prizes that are more than 60 prizes in a total worth of $20,000. So I am very excited and looking forward to a lot of you winning this year. All right. So yeah, then these are the themes of the competition. So you can clearly see over here. Just a second, let me, yeah. So these are the themes. So you have save the environment, you have strengthen the health infrastructure, you have revolutionize the agriculture, automate the surrounding, and make smart transportation system as well. Okay, so these are the themes for this year competition. So now you can look at the sample projects as well. So if you click on this sample project button, you will be referred to this page. On this page, you will be having 5 sample projects from each um, theme of this year's Codeavour competition. So you can see we have saved the environment, in which we have 5 videos, YouTube videos of all these participants from previous year's competition. Okay, so previous year who participated and won the competition, we have added those video here so that you guys can get, the idea of how you have to make your project and where the challenging part comes. Because this year, as I mentioned, we are going big, so the challenge will be big as well. Now, the main motive that if I was you and if I was participating in Codeavour, my motive will be, of course, to win, but my main motive will be to learn something. All right, that would be my main motive, that I want to learn something. So this is why we are introducing, we are adding the learning resources, and we are giving you the training session free of cost. So you can all join the training session. Tomorrow we will be having live doubt session at the same time. One will be at 4 to 5, which will be purely in Hindi, and the other one will be 7 to 8, which will be in English only. Okay, so yeah. Now, what you can make in this competition. So you can make hardware-based project, you can make storytelling, you can make games, or you can make AI or ML projects, or any other extension project that you want to make. Okay, necessarily we are just looking forward to you guys so that you guys attain the knowledge at its best. We want you all to learn and grasp the 21st century technological skills like coding, artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotics, Python, and much more. Okay, so this is what the competition is. All right, and the aim is just to empower you all and to make you all understand that the world is changing, the technology is growing faster and faster every day. Okay, so yeah, now coming to why you should participate, as I already mentioned, it is an international level competition. International level competition means you will be getting international, um, a level of exposure. All of you will be getting the international exposure. You will be, you will be having meetings together with all the international kids as well. So in tomorrow's DAO session, you will be seeing international kids from a lot of countries, like a lot of countries like UAE, USA, and there will be people coming from Italy, Japan. All right, so there will be very vast varieties of participants coming from 90 plus countries, as I already mentioned. So you will be getting the international exposure that I would love if I was on your level. Okay, then you will be getting the access to the free learning resources. Guys, free learning resources is one of the best thing that Codeavour is introducing to you all this year. Free learning resources as well as free online courses. Those online courses, once you complete those online courses, you will be getting the free certificate as well. So that means you will be getting 3 certificates. One for participation in Codeavour 2022, and the other 2 will be for those 2 online courses. So 3 certificates, 3 valuable certificates this year Codeavour is bringing to you. Okay, you will be having the access to all the premium courses that I will be showcasing to you right now, the learning resources, the training session with me and Ruparshi ma'am, and the live doubt session to solve all your doubts as well. This is why I would say you should participate, because you will be getting that that platform to showcase your talent. And I know I have seen it in the chat box how talented all of you are. Okay, all right. Now, moving forward to how to participate. So if you are a student from Tata Thinkage Lab or ATL Labs, Atal Innovation Mission. So if you are a student from if you're a student from any one of these are our partners. So if you're a student from them, you have to tell your teacher that please fill the form that we have shared, in the meeting with them, so they can register you in a bulk registration. And if you are an individual student, that means if you are not from Tata Edge classes or Atal Innovation Mission, you have to register yourself. Okay, and I will be showcasing it to you how. So if you click on the register icon over here at the top, here you have to add your team details. I will be making videos how to register, how to log in, and how to submit your projects on the website. And those videos will be uploaded on the STEMpedia YouTube channel very soon. So I request you all to, hit the subscribe button and push the notification bell, so that whenever I'm going live, you get the notification, and whenever there is an update about the competition or the videos are uploaded, you get the notification at that particular moment as well. So you have to add the team details to register yourself, your team name. You can give any name that you want. You can give, a cool name also if you want to, like AT Squad. I really like your name. You can give that name over here. You can give the password. You have to select your age group. So suppose if there are 2 people in your team, suppose if I'm teaming up with Rupashi ma'am, and my age is 12 and her age is 15. So who is older? Rupashi ma'am is older than me. So whose age group shall I select? Shall I select the age group number 2, because I am falling in age group number 2, but she is falling in age group number 3. So in that case, you have to select age group number 3. You have to select the age group of the oldest one, oldest team member. Then you have to select your country, your team size. Then you have to add in your the school partner if you have any school partner, and if you don't, then you can just click on other, or you can just select STEMpedia as well if you don't see your school name here. Okay, after that, training partner and community partner is you can say not required if you don't have any. If you're participating from any training partner that is given over here, then you can select your training partner. But if you don't have any training partner, then no need to select any. Then same for the community partner. If you are from Atal Innovation Mission, you can select that. But of course, the Atal Innovation Mission kids, as well as the TC, the Tata Edge classes kids, they will be participating via their teachers. So their teachers will be giving us the bulk registration form containing all the required data for all the interested students as well. So we will be giving them the registration credential. Okay. Good. Yeah. Then you have to add your team leader details. You have to add your second team member details, and then you will be able to register your team. Okay, this is very simple. Adding full name, parents' email ID, parents' phone number, date of birth, class, grade, your photo. Your photo should be passport size. Your face should be very clear, and it should be a new photo. Okay, because if you win the competition, we want your photo to be there with us. All right, so you have to upload your picture and a good one. Then you have to select your gender and hit on register team button. Okay, Now coming to the next part, how to log in. So if you click on login button, I've already made one account, so I will be logging into that. So yeah. There we go. I have logged in my account. So once you log in the account, you will be able to see. Oh, just a second. I must have entered the wrong password. My bad. So once you log in, you will be able to see your dashboard. Okay, I will show you it in just a second. Yeah. So here is the dashboard. So in the dashboard, you will be able to see the learning resources. So I will click on the learning resources and you can see that when you open the learning resources, there will be free courses there. Yes. So you can see we have different activities for all of you. Okay. Block coding, Python coding, artificial intelligence with Python coding, machine learning with block coding, as well as Python coding. There will be robotics as well. So you can just click on start learning on any of these lessons and you will be able to start learning. Okay. So I'm opening one of the session for you. So I'm opening Beetle in the maze. You will see one video. This video is not so long. This video is just like 5 to 10 minutes, maximum 12. Okay, very short and crisp video for all of you. Then you will be having the overview. You will be having some theoretical part as well. You can see the theoretical part is very little because we know that you know, kids nowadays, all of you nowadays are not that much into the theoretical part. You like, seeing things and you like it to be more practical based than theoretical based thing, right? Therefore, we are adding just a little amount of theory so that if you want to, you can go through the theory as well. Okay, so yeah, that is your dashboard. If I go back in the dashboard, so you can see there are two free online courses over here by STEMpedia. So if you click on any of these courses, if you click on start learning, this is the page that will open up on your screen. So you can go through, you can click on start course. It is free of course for all of you. You can start learning. And once you are done with this session, you will be getting one certificate for each of this course. So you will be getting 3 certificates in total, one for participation, two for each of these courses. So one for introduction to programming and one for introduction to Python. So it will be free, of course, for all of you. This is the biggest opportunity that you guys are going to get. Okay, so I hope it is clear to all of you. I hope the Codeavour 2022 attracts you and makes you want to participate. And this year, of course, as I already mentioned, we are going big. So I'm very excited to see all of you participating this year. All right. So any doubts, anyone? I will be looking forward to solve all your doubts. If you don't have any doubts right now, don't worry. We will be having doubt session tomorrow. If you get any doubts tomorrow, you can come and join that doubt session as well. Okay. So I'm looking at the chat. So um, now I'm waiting for all the doubts. If you have any, then we will be moving forward. And we will be having sessions every day on the same time. Don't worry. No doubts. That's great, Bhumi. Great. Per query, how to submit project from PictoBlox to competition. AT Squad, I will be telling you that, and as I already mentioned, we will be uploading one video which will be showcasing you how to submit your projects for competition. So don't worry, we got your back. So how can we log in if you don't want to? Then you don't want to. Then you don't want to register. Very simple. Yeah. So there is a fee also over here. So that fee is 1,000 rupees for the individual participants, and there will be fee $15 for participants over the sea. So can Yeah, you need to buy the credits. Crazy Coder, PictoBlox, you need to buy the credits. Then only it will show. Yeah, that's great. Yeah, if your computer teacher is going to help you, that's great. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this session, guys. I will be seeing you guys in the next session. And till then, have a great time. I will be seeing you tomorrow at the same time for the doubt session. We will be connecting together, and I will be looking forward to solve all of your doubts. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye bye. Thank you so much, Rupashri ma'am.